My name's Bob Turner. I'm a senior sales representative for Clients First. Clients First, we're a group of consultants that have decades of experience working with manufacturers, and where we set ourselves apart is we get to know your business processes first and your gaps, and then we help you decide which one of our ERP solutions that will help you implement. The value at a trade show is just exposure to maybe some products that, or some clients that you never anticipated as a prospect. For instance, we're here at Pack Expo. A lot of the equipment are these large pieces of equipment that package foods and products. They need maintenance. We sell maintenance, repair, and overhaul, or Pro MRO, which turns out is a great fit for clients here. So it's always ongoing education. People should actually absolutely work with us. We have one of the largest MROs in America out of Florida as a client of ours. We're very familiar with the processes. Pro MRO is built on top of two of the heaviest adopted or longest adopted ERPs in the industry, both Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Supply Chain, as well as Acumatica. So you've got the whole package all in one place. We can be reached at www.cfbs-us.com. You can go to our website, you can Google Clients First Business Solutions. We've got a great presence on the internet, easy to find.